Medicines made from aromatic herbs are useful in our daily lives, and they offer quick and efficient relief for a series of domestic accidents. Have you tried any of these medicines? If you did, share your recipe with us. Before we get to the recipes, keep in mind that before you use any kind of medicinal plants, you must be sure that the plant you are using is recommended for your specific situation, and also seek medical orientation from a qualified health professional. Let's learn about 5 plants with healing properties that can help you in simple and quick treatments. Rosemary. Rich in calcium, phosphorus, magnesium, potassium, sodium, and minerals, rosemary is digestive and sudorific. It alleviates the symptoms of poor digestion and flatulence and contributes to detox the liver. Rosemary infusion is recommended to alleviate flatulence and period cramps, thanks to its carminative action. It also increases blood flow, relaxes the nerves and muscles, and helps deal with stressful situations. To make a rosemary tea, boil 8.45 ounces of water, then add 1 tablespoon of rosemary. Close with a lid and let it infuse for 10 minutes. Strain, wait until warm, and drink without adding any sweetener. Drink 3 to 4 times a day. Comfrey. Comfrey is a plant with anti-inflammatory, analgesic, astringent, and anti-rheumatic actions. It helps detox and revitalize the bones and joints in general. The plant is also good to heal wounds, reduce inflammations, fight sprains, treat arthritis and arthrosis, reduce the inflammation of contusions, and aids in the healing of fractures. To use comfrey, mash fresh leaves of the plant and apply it as a poultice over the affected area. Coneflower. Coneflower, also known as echinacea, is known as a natural antibiotic with anti-inflammatory and anti-allergic actions. It acts against mosquito bites, eczema, inflammations, psoriasis, skin infections, and in the healing of wounds. In this case, dilute some echinacea tincture and use it as a lotion over the affected area. Enjoying the video? Then give it a like and share it with your friends to help the channel. Lavender. One of the main benefits of lavender is its soothing property that helps reduce the symptoms of stress and anxiety. Its essential oil can be rubbed over the skin to alleviate sunburns and mosquito bites. Applying lavender essential oils over your temples helps alleviate insomnia and tension headaches. If you don't have lavender oil but still want a good night's sleep, you can leave some lavender branches in your room during the night. The results will be the same. Broadleaf plantain. Broadleaf plantain is an herb with calming, antibacterial, antihistaminic, detox, analgesic, anti-inflammatory, and healing properties. Its leaves contain mucilage, a substance that helps fight constipation and bloated sensation. To use broadleaf plantain for scratches, mosquito bites, and skin irritations, mash some fresh leaves and apply over the affected area. To treat constipation, make a tea using 2 tablespoons of dried leaves and 34 ounces of water. Drink throughout your day. If you have any of these issues and need relief, use these medicinal plants and then share your experience with us.
If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.